Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. By the title of this video, I'm sure some of you are like wondering, oh my god. It is not entirely what you think it is, but it is related to what you think it is. I have struggled to decide on whether I want to film this video or not. To be honest, it's not a video that I wanted to film or talk about or stuff like that, but you know how something bothers you so much and you feel like the only way you can relieve yourself of this feeling is by doing something like this. So I literally decided to film this video like 5 minutes ago. I was doing something else, and because this has been bothering me so much, I just said, you know what, put on your camera and film this video. So that's exactly what I am doing right now. Whew. All right. Let's go. So you guys know that I do not necessarily talk about negative comments or address negative comments. I think I've only done that once on my channel a while back. I think that was like in 2020. I've only addressed negative comments in a video here on YouTube just once. And for me, if I see a negative comment on my channel, I don't like it, I delete the comment, I block the person. Finish. I've been doing that for the longest time and my life has been better, so much better. Or I got a comment recently on my channel, and the normal me should have just deleted and blocked the person. I did delete the comment, and before I could realize I didn't block the person, I had forgotten the handle or the name. So this is just me talking about this because if I'm being completely honest, and this is just me being completely honest, completely vulnerable with you guys, that comment hurts me so much. It hurts me so much. I thought about just taking some days off to just chill, relax and purge myself of the feeling, but the feeling is not going away. So I'm like, you know what, let me just come and talk about this thing here on YouTube so you guys can know, and hopefully somebody can take away something from this video. Okay, all right, so somebody left a comment on my channel. I'm sure it was one of my recent vlogs. I think it was my meet and greet vlog, right? Which is even funny because that's supposed to be like a very fun, happy vlog, but the person thought it wise to dampen the mood and put something like that in the comments. So the comment said, are you going to have another daughter? I'll be another child. I'm not sure how the person put it anymore, but it was either of those. Are you going to have another daughter, or do you want to wait and have one just like your kid sister? When I first saw that comment, it didn't click initially. I was like, what's this one saying? As in, my kid sister, how? None of my kid sisters have children. So what exactly is your point? And I think at some point I even scrolled away and did something else, and then later I came back to the comment because I was trying to really understand what the person was trying to say. I think it was a day or two after I came back to that comment, and I read in between the lines and I realized that the person was actually saying, you don't go born another pikin, or do you want to wait and end up having a kid just like your kid sister? Now, if you don't know, I have two sisters, Melba and Wendy. Wendy was born with Down syndrome, so she's an individual living with special needs. And somebody was literally telling me in the comments that if I don't hurry up and have another child, I'm going to end up having one just like my kid sister. If you know, you know. When I realized and I completely understood what that comment was saying, the tears just welled up in my eyes. I could not control it, guys. I'm a very emotional person. Very emotional. For the next couple of minutes, I couldn't do anything else. I was just staring at that comment and just bawling my eyes out. Nobody even knew about this. Not even my sister, not my mom, not even my husband. I didn't tell anybody anything. In fact, this video came as a shock to them. But I had a good cry about it, and I went ahead to delete it when I was done, with my emotional wahala. I have not been able to purge that comment out of my system, right? Because the height of the insensitivity was just too much for me to handle. That has to be the most insensitive comments I've ever seen. The height of the insensitivity was just ridiculous, and I legit thought to myself, somebody actually sat down, typed this comment and okayed it to publish this comment. Like, how can you be so cruel? How can you be so inhuman to write something like that? Now, the issue of having a second child is one of the most discussed issues on my channel amongst you guys in the comment section, not with me, because you guys know that. I literally begged and begged and begged. Like, even when I want to do Q&As on YouTube, I always say, oh, please do not ask me questions about having another baby, having a second child. Don't ask me. Each time I say, oh, please fill in your questions, ask me anything, I'll answer in a YouTube video, people still ask me, when are you gonna have another child? Are you gonna have another baby? When is baby number 2 coming? People always ask, even when I have repeatedly begged and begged to stop asking. So what I did was that I just stopped answering those kind of questions. If I am doing a Q&A and you ask me a question about baby number 2, I don't answer it on camera. I skip it. That's what I've been doing for a while. And I know that majority of you come from a very good place. I know that many of you wish me well. You only want the best for me. You wish me well. You want me to have more kids. I get that part. But I feel like it is insensitive to keep asking someone when they're having another child. Not just me now, I'm talking for like other women. Maybe somebody who is married with no child, you ask, oh, when are you gonna have a baby? Somebody who has one child like I do, you keep asking, when is baby number 2 coming? And you keep making comments with regards to baby number 2. I feel it is rude, extremely, extremely, extremely rude to keep asking people, even your friends, even your family, when they're having another child, when they're gonna have another baby. I think it's the rudest thing to ask. I don't care if that person is your sister. I don't care if that person is your brother. I don't care, but it is the rudest thing ever. I feel like it is extremely insensitive. And do you want to know why I think it is? Because you don't know what people are going through behind closed doors. You don't know what is happening behind the scenes. I come out here, I share my life as a content creator, as a mom, as a wife. I share my family with you basically. You feel you know me, that every opportunity that you get, you want to ask me when I'm having another baby. Now, you don't know if I have been trying to have a child and it's not happening. You don't know if I just want one child. You don't know if I'm currently pregnant right now. You don't know if baby number 2 is just not showing face. You don't know if my husband and I have decided that it's only me that I want to have. You don't know. Like, you think you know, but you don't really know. You don't know what is going on behind the scenes. You don't know if there is a problem. You don't know. You don't know. And you continually making those comments, you continually talking about it, you continually asking about it. You don't know how it's making me feel, or whoever it is that you're asking, you don't know how it's making them feel. People are very good at masking their emotions on camera. I'm an expert at doing that. I know how to mask my emotions on camera. I can come out here and smile and laugh and I'm happy and everything. But I only show you a few minutes of my life. Just literally a few minutes of my life in every video. A lot of people are going through stuff behind closed doors. People don't tend to share the bad things, their challenges and all of that. Many people share their wins, their achievements, their happy times, their happy moments. So there are many people out there who are going through stuff behind closed doors, or who have made decisions on their own, private decisions on their own. And you continually asking couples or asking individuals or women, oh, when will you have another baby? Oh, baby number 2, is he on the way? Oh, it is triggering for a lot of people, and it's triggering for me. Even when I went on a Valentine's getaway with my husband, that was some videos back, I've gone through the comments and I've seen a couple of comments, oh, baby number 2 loading, baby number 2 this, oh, this one, that one. I even mentioned in one of my other vlogs that I was not feeling too good. I was having serious indigestion issues. I had dewormed and I was taking an antacid. Somebody legit wrote in the comments, stop self-medicating and go and do a pregnancy test. Like, did I tell you I was pregnant? That's one. And then 2, if I was actually pregnant, because that clip was pre-recorded. So if I was actually pregnant, do you think I will record that clip and post that video on the internet if I was actually pregnant? It's just common sense. Yeah, I saw a few comments under that video saying, oh, go and do a pregnancy test, you are pregnant. Or go and do... In my head, I'm just like, I'm not allowed to have tummy issues too, except I'm pregnant. Like, I don't understand it. Like I said before, I know that many people are coming from a very good place. I know that many of you just wish me well. But at the same time, I feel like it's not everything that you wonder about. Hell, you're free to wonder. You are free to, wonder about things or think certain things. But what is not okay is writing those things down in the comments for the user to see, it's like you could have just wondered this thing in private without me having to know about it. Because like I said before, you don't know what's going on behind closed doors. But just be a little bit more sensitive when leaving comments, because for the obtain times, you guys, you don't know. Please stop asking, but people still ask. Just in case you don't know and you're watching this, please don't ask anybody, any couple, any woman, when they are having a child or when they are having their next child. Stop asking. Stop asking. I don't care if you're my friend. Please stop asking me. Stop asking me. I have friends who joke about it. Oh, now what for yourself? Or when I get to have a sibling for me, a rose. Stop asking me that. Stop asking me, because you don't know what that question is doing to me up here. You don't know. Stop asking your friends, your sisters, your siblings. Stop asking anybody at all, because at the end of the day, it's not your business. It is not your business until I actually make it your business. Until I come out here and say, oh, I'm expecting baby number 2. Except I do that. Stop asking me, please. Like, how else can I beg? Taking me back now to this comment this person made. I'm not sure what that person was trying to achieve by putting that comment there. Whether it was to now make me hurry up, quick, fast. I don't know. But that comment, it hits a nerve. It hurts me so much. At this point, I will just say, enjoy what I put out here on YouTube. You followed me here for a reason. You are subscribed to this channel for a reason. I put out my family, myself, my husband, my daughter, my parents, my siblings. Enjoy the way my life is now. My life as a wife and a mother of 1. Enjoy that for now. At this point, I will just say, Shanice, your mouth is moving a lot like a rat. Yappa, 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 yappa. Shut it, please. Thank you, Shanice. All the Shanices. Thank you. Zip it. Shut it. Stop asking. Okay. With that being said, as of right now, filming this clip, there is no baby number 2. Baby number 2 is not coming anytime soon for now. It is what it is. Okay? Just allow me enjoy my life the way it is right now. Allow me be happy with the way my life is right now. If God has said, oh Alma, it is only me a rose I'm going to give to you, so be it. I'm fine with that. If eventually he says along the line, oh, second baby, there you go, I accept wholeheartedly. If he says it's only me a rose, I'm fine with that too. I'm fine with whatever. I'm going to live my life. However, no matter how many kids I have, I'm going to still live my life and enjoy my life. All right, and I feel like you all should just respect that. All right, just respect that part of my life. I would love to say I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, because I don't know how you watched this video, if you actually enjoyed watching this video, but I feel a relief. I feel this huge relief now that I have filmed this video and I have talked about it. And trust me, I don't think I will be addressing this anymore, to be honest. I've done it this once. I will not do it again, that's for sure. So please just help me. Please subscribe if you are not yet subscribed already. Share this video with who you think would need it. Share it with people who are constantly asking you when your next child is going to come, when you're having a child. Share it with them. Just share, okay? I hope you were able to take 1 or 2 things away from this video. Basically, that was the aim. I'm okay now. I'm fine. I have purged that comment out of my system and I'm moving forward now. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'll see you guys in my next video on a more lighter note. Bye.